Open the carrying case. The package contains a Traxshot PRO mic, 2 wind muffs, a 2-in-1 charging and output cable, 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio output cable, 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio output cable, and user manual. Traxshot PRO has 2 mic capsules, mic 1 on the left and mic 2 on the right. An IPS display showing the working status of the mic, a power or low-cut switch button, a pickup mode switch button, and a gain control knob. This is an auto-sensing 3.5mm output. Connect TRS and TRRS devices to output audio. A USB-C charging and upgrading and audio output port. Please plug in 2-in-1 audio output cable for charging, digital output audio, and firmware upgrade. This is a 3.5mm monitoring port. It supports TRS and TRRS headphones. Plug in headphones for monitoring the sound from the transmitter in real time. You can monitor the sound from computers, phones, tablets, and other devices connected through the USB port. There is a reset hole at the bottom of the fuselage. The mic can be reset by plugging in a needle-shaped object. Innovative airflow shock-absorption design reduces vibration noise effectively. This is a 1/4 thread hole and cold shoe composite interface. To mount the mic on a camera, camera cage, or cold shoe expansion, please insert the mic into the cold shoe mount, then tighten the locking screw. Please screw the mic into the 1/4 thread hole of the mic into a tripod or mic stand and tighten it to lock it in place. Traxshot PRO has a screen display. It displays 4 pickup angles. Turn the dual mic capsules to the specified positions. The screen will show different pickup angles: 0° pickup angle, 30° pickup angle, 90° pickup angle, 180° pickup angle. Besides, the dual mic capsules can be rotated to any position to pick up sound. The 2 audio dynamic bars display mic 1 and mic 2 respectively. Traxshot PRO has 3 pickup modes: short press to switch A, PM, and PS 3 pickup modes. A mode means automatic pickup mode, which automatically switches to mono or stereo according to the pickup angle of the mic. It delivers mono audio at a 0° pickup angle and stereo audio at a 30°, 90°, or 180° pickup angle. PM mode means programmable mono pickup mode, which delivers mono audio at any pickup angle. PS mode means programmable stereo pickup mode, which delivers stereo audio at any pickup angle. Traxshot PRO has a 2-level, low-cut filter. Short press to switch between 75 and 150 Hz low cut. The power icon indicates the mic's remaining power and charging status. Traxshot PRO supports 3.5mm analog outputs and USB digital outputs. They support auto-sensing power on and power off. The mic can turn on and off automatically as soon as an output device is connected or disconnected. The 3.5mm output can accommodate connections to both TRS and TRRS port devices. The 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable is used to connect cameras, switchers, and mixers. The 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable is used to connect some cameras, phones, tablets, and laptops. The USB digital output can be better connected to phones, tablets, and computers with the 2-in-1 charging and output cable. Devices with a Lightning port, such as iPhones and iPads, require a USB to Lightning adapter for use. Traxshot PRO supports firmware upgrades. Long press the Mode button of Traxshot PRO to enter the upgrade interface. Connect the Traxshot PRO to the computer via USB-C cable. Copy the new firmware file of Traxshot PRO to the corresponding disk. Unplug the USB-C cable after the computer ejects the USB flash disk. Turn off Traxshot PRO and turn it on again to use the new firmware. Use the 2-in-1 charging and output cable to charge. The Traxshot PRO has a battery life of up to 22 hours. It supports charging while using it.